Hey guys, Night Fox 12291, test firing on myself, my girlfriend. She's going to be shooting my Gamma Recon Whisper at me. It has the simunition ammo in it that that my last two videos was of, and she'll be shooting me in the back from about 3 to 5 feet. Alright, hold this. In the back, not the back of the head. Mark? No? I felt it. Might have to try another one.
It just like splattered.
There is no mark on my back?
This?
Alright, here, we'll try another one. Hold this.
You know it's still recording?
Yes, I know it's still recording.
And the bad news, we've broken our last show. Rico, you're on litter patrol. We need shovels and find more popsicle sticks. We don't want to risk another cave-in. And me, Skipper, I want you to look cute.
This one's a little bit thicker. Hopefully it has a little bit more power behind it to where it splatters. This time, where it hits, go up and look at it with the camera, alright? Ooh, that one stung. Oh.
A little bit of a mark. You like went through your shirt, I think. Oh yeah.
Oh.
You got a bruise.
Oh, I know I do. I felt
A little
that.
bit of blood coming out.
Huh?
A little bit of blood coming out. Not much. Okay, are you done?
Ooh.
Are you done?
Yeah, that was a little bit painful. But it didn't break all the way through the skin, and hopefully I can make the wax a little bit thinner. That way it don't do that.
Yeah.
Alright guys, Night Fox 122 out. Be back with another video here shortly.